How do, and welcome back to another video. Been a long time. I think you can understand the reasons why it has been a long time due to the pandemic that's gone on. Still going on. So yeah, I've been trying to do a bit of filming in between between the national lockdown, then a local lockdown, and then another local lockdown, and now back into the national lockdown again. Got not a lot done, to be honest. Been up Ben Nevis when I could. So that's another peak completed. Been done a few more as well while I was out and about. Well, able to be out and about. So try and include a couple of clips of that or some pictures or whatever I managed to get. But today, because of the lockdown, I've decided that I'm going to have a new project that I can work on at home, seeing as that's where I'm spending quite a lot of time at the minute. Well, at home and at work, that's the only two places I'm allowed to go. So, I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I've just picked up a trailer, so a few little clues there. Obviously this being the Dacia Duster 4x4 1.5 diesel. It's got a towing capacity of 1.5 tonne, so it's nothing too big, although its car itself is only 1.2 tonne, so it could be another Duster, but it's not. So yeah, it's just a little project that I thought I'd get, that I can work on in my garage, like I said, use it maybe, a couple of videos, do a few lanes with it, not trying to give away too much, but yeah, it's definitely something. Well, let's put it this way, I feel like I'm 17 again once I get this. So I've seen the only thing I've seen about it is some pictures, bit of information about it. So I've not actually seen it itself yet. But I know the guy who I'm buying off, trust him, so we've done everything. It's literally going to be contactless, go and pick it up, all COVID safe, all that good stuff. He's going to leave the stuff out for me, so I'm just on my way now to go and pick it up. So catch you when I've picked it up, and if you want to have a guess at what it is, put down in the comments below what you think. Obviously it's all going to be revealed in this video, so yeah, catch you when I pick it up. So yeah, I'll put a picture up of what I've just bought. It is a 2007 Yamaha XT, and I'm just looking at it in the rearview mirror constantly because it's doing quite a lot of wobbling about. It's on the trailer, so yeah, it's 2007 Yamaha XT 125. It's the motocross version, I think it is. They do two, like an enduro type and like a crosser bike type. This is the crosser type. I don't know if you could see from the picture of it on the back of the trailer, so we'll have a look at it in more detail once I get back into my garage. It does need quite a bit of work to it, not gonna lie. The engine does run. It actually runs really well. The guy who I bought it off, like I said, I know him. So he said he bought it as a non-runner and got it running and done a pretty good job of it. From what I can gather, it's come with all the documentation, so it's not anything dodgy. All the numbers match up on it. So yeah, pretty good deal really. Apparently the previous owner, it was involved in a crash, so they've done some work on it. They've put the wrong forks on it, so they think that the forks are from a Honda. So I've been looking online and get a set of forks for 100 quid. It needs a new ignition barrel, so it needs a key as well. I'm going to swap the filler cap out as well, so there's another £50, so that's £150 needs spending on it. got a lot of spurs with it, so hopefully can salvage a bit of something. The rear brake doesn't work, but that could be because a lot of things aren't actually connected up on it. So there's a lot of loose wires, loose parts, stuff like that. So have a look at all that good stuff. It could be a number of things, but it's not a game changer. The electrics on it do work, so it starts up on the button, put some jump leads on it, that all works. Trying to think what else was up with it. It's not got a seat, so I'll buy a seat, I think it's about 40 quid. So yeah, so in total with ignition barrel, fuel filler cap, key, the proper forks for it, second hand ones, a seat. It does need new tyres as well, so but without them included in the price, it's about 100 and nearly 200 quid, call it, for parts to get it up and running. I've actually only paid 250 for the bike itself. I've actually in the back, I don't know if you can see on the video, we've got a box full of spurs. We've got a spur engine, we've got spur swing arm, we've got a spur subframe or whatever you want to call it, rear pod. So I've got quite a lot of spurs, so I could probably sell them spurs that I don't need or trade them for what I do need. So that's always handy. But yeah, quite happy with that, 250 quid. I've seen them advertised on eBay as a completed bike for about £1,500. So even if I do choose to sell it, I mean, even if it's out for £1,000, I've still made 600 quid. But no, I really do think I'm actually build it and use it. So it's not just gonna flip it. It's actually rattling quite bad, that bike, because I can feel it in the car quite bad.